Hi guys, my name is Alexander from Vannado Camper Van Company, and today I'm gonna make a van tour of our new model Patagonia, which is really nice outside, but even better inside. Take a look inside, because here it's pure magic. First of all, what we have in our new model, it's a lot of space where two people can fit easily with going back and forth without any collision. We have L-shaped kitchen with a lot of storage, and there is much more storage units here with really spacious fridge, 90 liters, with the freezer on the top of the fridge. And really nice touch of this fridge is that we can open it from both sides. Here we have trash bin under the sink and the really nice black sink right here under the cover. What I want to show you guys is really big storage units on the top of our camper. We can fit easily a lot of stuff. On the back of our camper we have really spacious bed where two people can easily fit, with some more storage units on the left. Under the bed we have a lot of space to keep our boards, surfing boards, kite surfing stuff, or whatever you need during camping. For our clothes we have really big wardrobe with the hangers right here for some t-shirts and stuff like that here. Shoe storage and more right here. We have modern bathroom divided into two zones. And really big mirror, which gives us that nice touch in our bathroom. The whole camper has a lot of LED lights right here, and below our cabinets we have a long strip of LED lighting, which gives us that beautiful look. Our camper has Truma heating with really nice touch screen right here. The output of our heating, it's on the back of our camper, in the bathroom, but also here in our pop-top roof, where another two people can easily sleep. And it's, to be honest, my favorite part of every camper, because you can enjoy the view from the rooftop, and I'm gonna show you what kind of views we have right here where we are making this video. Let me take you to my favorite part of our camper van, and this is my favorite part of the camper. It's really cozy and it's warm because here we have also heating. So right now in Poland we have winter time. It's really cold outside, but you can easily sleep in this camper van during the cold nights without any hesitation. And the water tank is also inside the camper van, so you can use your camper 365 days out of the year. And look what kind of beautiful view we have around us today. In the kitchen and on the back of our camper we have a lot of plugs. The normal one, USB and USB-Cs, so you can easily charge a lot of things at the same time. On our dining area we have 4 seats, 2 swivel front seats right there and 2 on the back. But what's interesting is that in the middle we can add for you guys 1 additional seat. What we're really proud of is that we use mostly natural materials in our interiors. All our cabinets and countertops in that camper, it's covered with Bolivian walnut, which gives us that really luxurious touch. In that camper vans we have a lot of windows. We have extra Dometic S4 windows in the rear doors and roof in our sleeping zone. Also 1 window in the kitchen and in the dining area. Our Vannado Patagonia combines space, functionality and design to provide freedom and comfort in every journey. Guys, thank you for watching. Let us know what do you think about our Patagonia model, and see you next time. Bye!